She's beautiful. She's gorgeous.
That's why I told Casey that was Lanugo, and I told him that normally before they're born they shed it in a full-term baby, but
Yeah, she's gorgeous. She just ate her breast milk, drink her breast milk, and she's going to down. And Mom is so proud of her. Aren't you, Mom?
she's doing good. You don't even have a video camera, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
Mom is just so proud of her baby. Yes, she is. She was born on the 22nd of December 2008, and we're in the NICU. She had her first Christmas, and she had her own little Christmas tree, and she had all these beautiful presents with her first stocking. Baby's first Christmas. And her little hat, my first Christmas. That's right. And of course, we had to have a bulldog. We sing Silver Bells. And this is her little house. So cute. Baby lives inside here. And she has her little guardian angel in here. Right there. I can't see it, so we're going to open this. Sorry about the fuzziness. On the end, there's a star.
Our
Mom. Look up and down as a star together. You are so beautiful to me.